ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರು ಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ. For a round of applause for the inauguration. Thank you.
ಜೇಂ ಜೇಂ ತನ್ನನದ ಕುಂತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಗ ಕುಕುಂತರಿ ಜೇಂ ಜೇಂ ತನ್ನನದ ಜೇಂ ಜೇಂ ತನ್ನನದ ಕುಂತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಗ ಕುಕುಂತರಿ ಜೇಂ ಜೇಂ ತನ್ನನದ ಜೇಂ ಜೇಂ ತನ್ನನದ ಕುಂತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಗ ಕುಕುಂತರಿ ಜೇಂ ಜೇಂ ತನ್ನನದ ಜೇಂ ಜೇಂ ತನ್ನನದ ಕುಂತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಗ ಕುಕುಂತರಿ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರು ಮೇ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ
ಧಿಂಗಿಂಡ ತುಂ ತತ್ತೈ ಯಾ ತೇ ರತ್ ತತ್ತಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕತ ತೇ ರತ್ ತತ್ತಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕತ ಧಿಂ ತಾಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತೇ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಂ ಧಿಂ ತಾಂ ಕಿಟ ತಕ
Talent Academy, BTA, is Bengaluru's leading premium art and culture foundation. BTA is a space to create happy memories and have a positive impact in people's lives. Sri Vidya teaches dance not just as a means of entertainment but as an offering to the Supreme Soul.
താനും 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 തും തനും തനും തും ദദാനും തും ദദാ താനും തും ദദാ താനും തും തനു താനും തും തനു താനും തും തനു ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः
ತಕ್ಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತರುಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ
ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः
ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ನಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕ ನಂ ತಕ್ಕ ರುಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧಿಂ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ
ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं श्रीमात्रे नमः
ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಣ್ಣಂ ತರುಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ ತದ್ಧೆ ತರಿಗಿಡತೋಂ
ॐ दुं दुर्गाय नमः दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे 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 जय जय दुर्गे.
Anushka and Jyoti are determined to continue exploring the never-ending amazing aspects of the Bharatanatyam dance form and aspire to attain more and more knowledge in this field, aiming to get to a level of perfection only to improvise further. Really an inspiring mother-daughter duo.
रूपमु ज्योति वलची वचितिनि रूपमु ज्योति
தழுங்கு தக்க திக்கு தக்க ததிங்கிண்ண தோந்தாம் தத்த கெட்ட நக்க ஜம் தரி கெட்ட தக்க தத்த கெட்ட நக்க ஜம் தரி கெட்ட தக்க தம் தத்த கெட்ட நக்க ஜம் தரி கெட்ட தக்க தத்த கெட்ட நக்க ஜம் தரி கெட்ட தக்க தம் தத்த கெட்ட நக்க ஜம் தரி கெட்ட தக்க తత్త కిట్ట నక్క జం తరి కిట్ట తక్క తం తత్త కిట్ట నక్క జం తరి కిట్ట తక్క తత్త కిట్ట నక్క జం తరి కిట్ట తక్క తం తత్త కిట్ట నక్క జం తక్కు తరి కిట్ట తక్క తత్త కిట్ట నక్క తక్క జం తక్కు తరి కిట్ట తక్క తజ్జం తక్క జం నక్క జం కడతక జం తం తత్త కిట్ట తక్కిట్ట దిక్కిట్ట తత్తం కడతక తరగడ తం తం తత్త కిట్ట తక్కిట్ట దిక్కిట్ట తత్తం కడతక తరగడ తం తం తక్కిట్ట తక్కిట్ట దిక్కిట్ట దళం పుతో కడతక తరగడ తం
Her teaching approach is truly one of a kind and has been well received by her students. Her teaching is a unique blend of theory, practicals, stories, demonstrations, teamwork, one-on-one observation, and expert-tailored guidance. In her, one would find not only a stringent teacher, but also a gentle well-wisher.
And today, it gives me so much joy to see Jyoti and Anushka flourish and express their proficiency in such a beautiful manner. To our talented dancers, Anushka and Jyoti, congratulations on reaching this important moment in your Bharatanatyam journey.
Today's program is a true example of two hearts and one rhythm. Yes?
Art is something that can make you breathe with a different kind of happiness. Annie Albert, who said this. I wish both of you that let this art of Bharatanatyam continue to fill your lives with its unique and profound happiness. Thank you very much.
All of you who are here, who have children or your peers, inspire them to take up Indian arts. We are slowly moving towards the Western world, but our roots is Indian, and it is the connect with these art forms which will keep us alive, which will help us connect to ourselves and go back with happy memories through our journey. Thank you. Namaste.
From which, मैंने building खड़ी कर दी, but I am not the one who laid the foundation. So I was able to do this, make them do this on stage today, present a Margam, only because of Gauri ma'am's initial training. So my humble namaskarams to you, ma'am. I have I really love teaching Anushka, because whatever I teach her, she does it the next day. That it's nice to have a student like that. In fact, we are fortunate to have a student like that. But then starting at 35, that is amazing. Starting at 35 and then doing an Arangetram at 45. Mr. Rajesh, who right from the planning stage, he has been there with them and with us in planning this, with BTA, with myself, all through. And Jyoti's mother-in-law, Auntie, so passionate about dance too. Without Auntie's support and Rajesh's support, it wouldn't have been possible to present this today. Yes. It's really great, Auntie and Rajesh sir. Let's hear it once again for Radha.
ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿ ನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭು ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿ ನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭು ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿ ನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭು ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿ ನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭೋ ಕೆ ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿ ನಾಥ ಪ್ರಭೋ ಕೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ವಿರಾಜಿತ ಚಿತ್ರ ಸಭಾ ಮೇ ಶಂಕರ ಶ್ರೀಗಿರಿ नाथ प्रभो के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजित चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभु ಪ್ರಭೋ ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ಒಚ್ಚೀತಿವಿರಲದ ಇಲ್ಲು ಏವಿಗೆ ಕಾದು ಪೋಪೋರ ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ಒಚ್ಚೀತಿವಿರ ಕಾದು ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ಒಚ್ಚೀತಿವಿರ ಅಲದ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ವಿಧಿ ಕಾದು ಪೋರ ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ಒಚ್ಚೀತಿವಿರ ಅಲದ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ವಿಧಿ ಕಾದು ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ಒಚ್ಚೀತಿವಿರಲದ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ವಿಧಿ ಕಾದು ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ಒಚ್ಚೀತಿವಿರ ಅಲದ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ವಿಧಿ ಕಾದು ಹಿಂದೆಂದು ಒಚ್ಚೀತಿವಿರ ಅಲದ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ವಿಧಿ ಕಾದು மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன், மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். கைச்சின்ன பால் தரேன் கற்கண்ட சீனி தரேன், கைச்சின்ன பால் தரேன் கற்கண்ட சீனி தரேன், கை நிறைய வெண்ணெய் தரேன், வெயிலிலே போக வேண்டாம் மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீ, போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீ, கைச்சின்ன பால் வேண்டாம் கற்கண்ட சீனி வேண்டாம், உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன். போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீ, கைச்சின்ன பால் வேண்டாம். கற்கண்ட சீனி வேண்டாம், கைச்சின பால் வேண்டாம் கற்கண்ட சீனி வேண்டாம், உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன். போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீ, போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீ. பச்சமுள்ள நந்தகோபன் பாலனங்கே என்று கேட்டால் என்ன பதில் சொல்வேனடா என்னுடைய கண்மணியே, மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்ன. பாலருடன் வீதியிலே பந்தாடுதான் என்று சொல்ல, தேடி என்னை வருகையிலே ஓடி வந்து நின்றிடுவேன். பாலருடன் வீதியிலே பந்தாருடன் என்று சொல்ல, தேடி என்னை வருகையிலே ஓடி வந்து நின்றிடுவேன். போக வேணும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீ, 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 போக வேணும் தாயே.
The seed of this beautiful art form that you so lovingly and perfectly sowed in our body and soul has grown into a beautiful plant waiting to become a tree.
All the disappointments of not being able to continue this art form during my early years is now completely wiped out of my heart.
We are in extreme admiration for our Sri Vidya ma'am, her eye for perfection, her immense patience, and her calm demeanor.
Thank you, ma'am. I have done something right in my this birth or previous to get Mr. V.V. Narayanan as my appa, who has raised me as a confident woman single-handedly. Rajesh Prabhakaran as my better half in the true sense and my best friend. And Srimati Rajamma Prabhakaran as my mother-in-law in relation, but my own mother in her behavior and support towards me.
My dad, who always sets the bar high, my optimistic Ammachi, my caring Tata, my loving brother Ishan, and of course my dance partner today, Mama.
Okay, so first when I was told I have to do the vote of thanks, the first thing my co-host Mr. Ishan Rajesh said was vote of thanks is the most boring portion. Okay, he's saying nobody listens to it, so I'll try to keep it casual. I'll start with my family. Jyoti already said, I'll start with my mom. She's always been, our biggest encourager. Always there, very small things, but always supportive, right? Appa, who's traveled to be with us, thank you. It means a lot to Jyoti and Anu both. Okay, Jainachan, Kunjama, Pudji auntie, all of them who traveled, took the trouble to come here, be with us, means so much to us, right? Ishan, our co-host again, for his wittiness, for his candor, for being forever good bro, Yo bro. Very meticulous. She's taken so many classes, every small bit that she's taken care of. Thank you so much. Now coming back to the stars of the event, what I call the women in my life, Anushka and Jyoti, right? Anushka, for being the darling that she is. She's always super sincere, very hardworking, a little slow, but patient as hell. Like even if there is anything's happening around her, she's still calm, right? And this is just a first milestone that you're doing. You'll always do well because you're very good and you have the right attitude in life. Yeah. To the legally wedded wife. So Jyoti might attribute her success to other people and say she has a lot of support. But the truth is that she would still do it even if she didn't have anybody's support, because that's how determined she is. And that's how she's always been. That keeps her, she's high on life. She works tirelessly, and so whether it's like a second master's or a patent in machine learning or moving into a product management role as a director, it all comes to her because everything that she wants to do, she works hard and she gets it, right? And I am quite certain, I've been with this one for 28 years. Tomorrow morning she's going to tell me what next she's going to do, right? She doesn't quit. Neither does she rest, right? For all of you here, thank you for spending the evening. It means a lot to us. For Jyoti and Anushka, it's the biggest thing to do this Arangetram. Really passionate, and they worked hard to do it. So thank you to all of you.
Nadridim tundridim danadim tadarratani tadanadim Nadridim tundridim danadim tadarratani dratil nanadim Nadridim tundridim danadim tadarratani dratil nanadim Tundridim danadim tadarratani dratil nanadim Nadridim 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 tundridim danadim tadarratani dratil nanadim ನದೃದೀಂ ತುಂದೃದೀಂ ತನದೀಂ ತದರತಾನಿ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲನ ನದೃದೀಂ ತುಂದೃದೀಂ ತನದೀಂ ತದರತಾನಿ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲನದೀಂ ನದೃದೀಂ ತುಂದೃದೀಂ ತನದೀಂ ತದರತಾನಿ ಧೃತಿಲ್ಲನದೀಂ.
What a brilliant performances. Congratulations to the mother and daughter for their outstanding, energetic and mind-blowing performances. I also congratulate all the musicians for their marvelous support who connected well in harmony with the dancer. I'm sure you all had a wonderful evening. This is me, Radha Jairam, signing off. Good night, Shubhratri, and have a great weekend.